We're jumping right into the market action with pro trader Jared Levy, the director of investments at DBHW Wealth. How's the market doing?
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. That's the theme I feel like for this market. It just keeps going, right? I mean, what's interesting is the past 2 quarters have been like, just buy everything, buy high risk, just buy it, right? And it will go up, and rates are coming down, and there's going to be this new surge of economic activity. And you know what? It's kind of been that. But what I've noticed over the past month is obviously gold's been a leader, but there's been like this pivot to more defensive names. So utilities, healthcare, gold, silver, right? I'm also seeing something interesting going on in the bond market. Finally, which it was kind of making me nervous, but investors are going to the bond market, to the U.S. Treasury market. They're buying the 10-year, which is sending that yield lower, down below 4%. Again, good thing. Well, could it be ominous? Maybe, but I like the fact that folks are actually going and buying U.S. Treasuries. You know, that is something that, again, as a professional trader, I view as like, all right, we're going to get a little bit more cautious here and sort of be, careful. I feel these things happening, and it's just, again, that undertone of be careful, right? We've got earnings this week. What I'm watching, Tesla, Netflix, Intel, Procter and Gamble, obviously all different sectors, but I think these companies, as far reaching as they are, they're going to give us a real clue. Intel is obviously a little bit of a different beast here because Intel is, reinventing itself. It's getting this huge cash infusion. I'm curious to hear what they're doing. As I told you before, I kind of liked the stock when it first ticked up to, it was like, what, $27, $28. Still want to be careful there if you own it.
What do you think is ahead for the Fed and a possible rate cut?
We've got Fed meeting coming up on the 29th. How crazy is it? There will be basically no data this week, although they are going to release the CPI on Friday. Again, that's way late from what it normally is. Typically, it's released on Tuesdays or Wednesdays. And then the Fed only has 5 days to review that data. And that's like all they got. But the market is betting that near 100% chance that they're going to cut rates again, 25 basis points. And I think that's the right call.
I'm hearing a cautious tone coming from you, Jared.
That's where I'm at right now. Sticking with this little momentum trade, but just be careful.
We get it. Thank you, Jared.
Thank you so much. It's great to be here.